Yes, everyone, now see, yesterday we have done this diagram and all the latitudes points we have discussed. So now we have to move about the heat zones. Next topic is heat zones. The climatic changes from hot to warm, warm to cool, and cool to frigid or cold as we move away from the equator towards the poles. This is because as we move away from the equator, the sun's rays falls on the earth's surface at a more slanted angle, and this heat is spread over a larger area. The rays also travel through a longer part of the atmosphere and hence heating is reduced. So now if we will see this diagram, like this is the sun and this is the earth. So the sun rays, direct rays are falling on the earth, and only the middle part near the equator is getting the direct sun rays. So only the near the equator the sun rays will be very stronger, and on the poles it will be cooler than the equator. So when we move away from the equator, this side or south side, the rays of the sun are slanted, and when the slanted rays are moving on these poles, the atmosphere is cooler, not very hot, and on the near the equator it is very hot. On the basis of the distance from the equator, the earth is divided into three broad climatic zones. These are called heat zones. Now you can see this diagram. This equator part will receive more sunlight. These two parts will have less sunlight, and these near the poles will have very slanted rays or no rays or no light and no warmth from the sun. So these full earth is divided into three heat zones. Near the equator it is torrid zone. Both the sides after the torrid zone it the north temperate zone and south temperate zone. And near the poles both the sides north frigid zone and south frigid zone. So here everything is frozen. Frigid means frozen. As you can see, frozen area. We all know that near the poles is the frozen area. And from here to here, it will have moderate climate. Not very hot, not very cold. But here, in this green part, the temperature is very hot. So these are the three zones: torrid zone, temperate zone and frigid zone. Now we will read about these three zones in detail.